I'm getting married for the first time. Basically.
That was my dialogue, but yeah. ठीक है. ठीक ना.
Hi, मेरा सलमान.
Let's agree to disagree.
Let's agree to disagree.
That I used to like
I have
you.
my version of the story. You have your version of the story.
I have the
I'm happy with
truth.
it.
She has her own version. But yeah, then she broke my heart. She left me. And yeah. Never held hands, nothing at all. And yeah. And like.
Don't say all this. God, you.
अभी बंद हो गया कैमरा. Acting बंद कर दे रहा.
He was the only boy in the whole group of the girls.
Then he was very shy, and he used to not talk to girls. You have to say something.
Maybe I can make a change.
So I came to know about her. I just heard that there's a girl who likes me. in
Oh,
school,
rubbish!
okay?
Absolutely rubbish. It was
So
the
that's why I
other way
heard
round.
about
It
her.
was the other way round. That everybody came and told me that there's this guy who likes me, and that is
Yeah.
If you have to be around Nachiket, you have to give him the attention he needs. That is
Yeah.
it.
I see Shivani and Nachiket so many similarities, but I see many dissimilarities, and I think that's what will make them a great couple.
Far from this.
Like I would like to go out and party. She would
I
like to
would
go for a
prefer-
better dinner. Or
Yeah, like a good dinner
Good
or like a
food.
good movie or just be home and have coffee or just.
Yeah. So always I have to come. I was feeling responsible. I don't know why. I never felt like that. Previously, I never cared, never bothered what was happening. But then I don't know what was happening. I was feeling like,
I think
yeah.
we both felt a little more responsible.
No, not you. Only me. You were ignoring me, nothing else.
You say I'm the only one you'll never be without. I found you're the only one worth ever singing about. Will you write my name in your heart?
The best thing about Shivani is that she has very clear thoughts. Her thoughts are she is a very clear thought person, and
She knows what she wants to do.
Shivani, the kind of person she is, I think she's the best thing that's happened to him. They would be one of the best pair, as we know both the
Really
kids
complement each other.
each other.
The strangers around us crumble, all we figured out. I found you're the only one I hold on to in the dark. And you write my name in your heart. Write my name.
Shivani and I have a lot of patience. But when I met Nishikesh, I think he beats her. He definitely beats her in terms of patience.
I think Vatmala was very chill for me. But she was in a lot of hurry at that time. Even the mala, when she put it, and she was just throwing the mala on me. Like, she was not even adjusting the mala, putting it properly. I was like, dude, at least put it properly.
You write my name.
I think they will keep Shivani better than the way I kept her. So, I mean, I'm very, very confident about it.
I think it was different that. No, forget it. I don't want to say anything.